Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm joined by Jim Tiz.
Yeah. We played very well. Yeah. Singakhala ngoba we are Kotsi fans. To be quite honest with you, it was a nice game.
Yes.
Yeah. Lapana lapa ne.
Yeah.
Kuyadingeka ne. But Tina, we went all out.
Yeah.
As our fans.
Yeah.
Tina asina problem ukuthi udlala iPirates udlala in noma but Tina sibopha every now and then bafana we need akuna Kaizer Chiefs player lapha ngisho manje but you must know so gcwalisa stadium Mawusifuna we are South Zostolap Kaizer Chiefs fans
Man of the match,
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?